Now we'll begin Lesson 3, Unit 5, What Causes Loud and Soft Sounds? Have you ever visited the ocean or a lake when a storm is rolling in? Suddenly, the ocean waves crashing onto the beach are much larger. Why do small waves just lap at your ankles, but large waves sometimes knock you down? Large water waves carry more energy than small waves do. It's the same with sound waves. Louder sounds have more energy than softer sounds do. Think about talking. It takes more energy to shout than to whisper. If you shout, you use more energy and make a larger sound. The most common unit used to measure loudness is called a decibel. The softest sound that people can hear is 0 decibels. This is called the threshold of hearing. Sounds at 10 decibels have 10 times more energy than sounds at 0 decibels. Sounds at 120 decibels have so much energy that they can cause pain to our ears. Even sounds above 85 decibels, which may not cause pain, can damage your hearing. Look at the chart to learn more about the decibels of different sounds. Now let's turn the page. We will do the try this experiment in class if we have time, but on the bottom let's read, how do scientists hear underwater sounds? Have you ever heard a recorded whale song? Have you wondered how scientists can hear the sounds made by underwater animals such as whales and dolphins? Scientists use a hydrophone to hear and record underwater mammal sounds. A hydrophone is a listening device that's very advanced for an underwater microphone. A hydrophone can listen to all underwater sounds up to a distance of 16 kilometers or 10 miles. The first whale song recordings were made accidentally. During World War I, Sir William Henry Bragg invented the hydrophone to listen for the sounds of enemy submarines. His hydrophone also recorded the first sounds of whales and other ocean mammals. To the left we see intersection with life science, the loudest animal. The loudest animal is also the largest animal that's ever lived, the blue whale. The whistle of a blue whale can reach 188 decibels, which is louder than a jet engine. Blue whales can be heard for hundreds of kilometers underwater. On the next page is an experiment called How Can Loud Sounds Be Made Softer? And we're going to work with this experiment in class. On the last page, I'll read Strange Truth. Bullfrog megaphones. The bullfrog makes loud sounds by passing air from its mouth and lungs over its vocal cords. Some of the air goes into sacs in the bullfrog's mouth, and the sacs inflate like a balloon to make the sound louder, just like a megaphone makes sounds louder. Think back. Number 1, why is a shout louder than a whisper? Number 2, what unit is used to measure the loudness of sounds? And number 3, why should landscapers wear ear protection? Hope you enjoyed it.